हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल ईट मोर लूज मोर। तो आज मैं आप लोगों के साथ शेयर करूंगी कुछ हेल्दी वेट लॉस स्नैक्स दैट यू कैन हैव बिटवीन योर मील्स। मुझे बहुत रिक्वेस्ट आती हैं कि हमें ब्रेकफास्ट, लंच और डिनर के बीच में एक्सेस भूख लगती है। सो इसके ऑल्टरनेटिव्स क्या हो सकते हैं कि वी कैन स्टिल ईट हेल्दी एंड लूज वेट। So I'll be telling you top my favorite and healthy weight loss snack ideas. Now the first one is fruit raita, जिसे मैं calcium bowl भी कहती हूँ. Now why calcium bowl? Because it is full of calcium. Yogurt contains lots of amount of calcium and fruits contain all the sweetness that you require. तो आप एक fresh bowl of fruit raita खा सकते हैं. फ्रूट रायता प्रिपेयर करना बहुत ईजी है। इसमें आपको सिर्फ और सिर्फ 2 इंग्रेडिएंट्स चाहिए, दैट इज एक फ्रूट चॉप्ड आपकी चॉइस का। It can be banana, it can be mango, orange, apple, kiwi, strawberries, anything. A small bowl or कटोरी of fresh low fat दही और कर्ड, और इसमें आप कुछ नट्स भी ऐड कर सकते हैं जैसे कि वॉलनट, आलमंड्स, पीनट्स, जो भी आपको पसंद हो। बट डू नॉट ऐड एनी काइंड ऑफ स्वीटनर टू इट। आप पाइनएप्पल रायता भी प्रिपेयर कर सकते हैं। इसके सारे बेनिफिट्स मेरी प्रीवियस वीडियो में हैं, जिसका लिंक मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में डाल दूंगी। चेक इट out that how pineapple can help you cut your belly fat like crazy. You can also prepare cucumber raita if you like to have cucumber in summer season. It is best for your skin as well. Now, the next snack idea is bhel puri. Yes, you heard it right. Also known as puffed rice chaat. It is very easy to prepare and it is healthy in each and every manner. To prepare this, all you need is murmure, or also known as puffed rice. Then you need some chopped onions, some chopped tomatoes, some chopped cucumber or kheera, some green chilies, some fresh coriander leaves. For seasoning, you will need pink Himalayan salt and some black pepper powder. Mix all the ingredients well and your delicious, healthy weight loss bhel puri is prepared and ready. It contains lots of fiber that will help you stay fuller till your next meal. So have it guilt-free. Now the next 3 snacks ideas are best for people who go to office and definitely need something to munch on their desks. The first one being roasted makhana. Makhana contains a lots of amount of vitamin E in it. इसे English में fox nuts भी कहते हैं. And to prepare roasted makhanas, it is very easy. All you have to do is एक बाउल में मखानास को ऐड कीजिए और उसे माइक्रोवेव कर दीजिए for 1 minute. Your roasted makhanas are prepared. They'll be so crispy and crunchy and also full of fiber that will help you stay fuller for a longer time. The next one is roasted chickpeas या फिर roasted white चना. इसे प्रिपेयर करना भी बहुत ईजी है। All you have to do is रात को कुछ अमाउंट ऑफ वाइट चने को रात को भिगो के रख दीजिए एंड मॉर्निंग में उसे या तो रोस्ट कर लीजिए पैन में विद सीजनिंग्स लाइक सम ऑलिव ऑयल, सम इटालियन सीजनिंग्स लाइक हर्ब्स एंड सम पिंक हिमालयन सॉल्ट एंड ब्लैक पेपर पाउडर। या फिर अगर आपके पास अवन है तो आप उसे अवन में भी बेक कर सकते हैं। It is very delicious and full of fiber and tasty as well. Now the next quick snack is peanuts. Roasted peanuts are best for your skin, for your hair, for your gut and for your cravings as well. So have roasted peanuts whenever you feel hungry or wish to add something in your stomach. Now the next snack is rajma salad. It is very easy to prepare. All you will need is some boiled rajmas, some paneer cubes, some chopped tomatoes, onions and cucumber. Mix all the ingredients and add some pink Himalayan salt and some black pepper powder to it. The delicious rajma salad is prepared. It is so fuller and full of protein along with good fiber in it. तो जब भी आपका भूख लगे, have this quick healthy weight loss snack. All these snacks will definitely help you reduce weight as you will not try to munch on the junk food. So avoid having junk whenever you feel hungry in between your meals and have these snacks for your weight loss and as well as to munch on something. Do try these delicious recipes, and if you like my video, please hit the like button. Comment below if you have any query regarding any of my videos or any of the snack ideas that are mentioned in this video. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel Eat More Lose More. Hit the bell icon so you'll be notified whenever I am on YouTube. And follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. I upload and post daily there about what I eat in a day, and also a few tips that will help you stay motivated in your weight loss journey. So follow me on social medias. That'll be linked down in the description box below. And I'll see you in my next one. Till then, stay healthy and stay fit always.